Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. When I went to my grocery store yesterday, I spotted some mini sweet peppers, and since I couldn't find much of other vegetables, I picked them up as I got reminded of a particular recipe. Today I will be making a stuffed sweet pepper recipe with a spicy delicious potato mix. So let's get started. You need boiled potatoes for this recipe. I pressure cook the potatoes, but you can even cook them in a pot of boiling water till they are totally tender. Once they are comfortable enough to handle, peel them. I like grating them using the large holes of my grater. You can even mash them, but I feel by grating it is easier to handle while stirring in the pan. As you know, potatoes are a bit sticky in nature. Next, I will be making a spice blend. I love making this fresh to get that maximum aroma, but you can easily make this spice blend in a larger amount, then keep it in an airtight container and remember to stick it in your fridge to retain that freshness. Stir them on a very low heat till they get a bit toasted, but do not roast them too much as that will make them bitter. Take them off heat as soon as you see them getting little brown. Then grind them in a coffee grinder or a spice grinder once they cool down. But guys, I would suggest to keep a separate grinder for your spices because it isn't a good idea to grind coffee beans in the same grinder in which you grind your spices. I mean, who wants to have a cumin or a coriander coffee? Now let's prepare the potato stuffing. Heat oil over medium-high heat. Once the oil turns hot, add chopped onions. Sprinkle little salt and stir till they turn bit pale and soft. Then add grated ginger. Add chopped green chilies. You can leave them out if you do not want that heat. Next, I added some curry powder. Stir for a few seconds to bring out that flavor from the curry powder. Finally, add the potatoes. Add some salt and stir the potatoes on medium-low heat. At this point, add the powdered spice blend. Mix the potatoes very well with all those spices. This spice blend is the secret ingredient for this recipe. You have no idea how much flavor it gives to the dish. Once all those spices get well mixed with the potatoes, add chopped coriander leaves. Finally, squeeze little lemon or lime juice to add to that freshness. Do a taste test and adjust the seasonings. I felt it needed more salt. Then take it off heat and transfer the mixture to a bowl. Next, I added some grated Parmesan cheese. You can leave out the cheese. Add less salt to the potatoes if you plan to add cheese. As you know, cheese is already very salty. Coming to the peppers, with a small knife, make a slit from the stem going downwards, but do not cut all the way to the tip. Make a slit in such a way that a pocket is formed. These peppers have very little seeds in them, so I don't bother taking them out. But you can, if you want to, use the back of your spoon to scoop out those seeds. I'm done prepping the peppers. Now I'm going to put the stuffing. Open up the pocket gently. Sprinkle some salt inside the peppers as you want them to be seasoned as well. Then with the help of a small teaspoon, carefully fill up the pepper. After a while, I got bored using a spoon. I feel more comfortable using my fingers for doing this. And don't worry, my friends, I always wash my hands with soap before handling any food. Keep the peppers on a baking tray lined by a foil or parchment paper for an easy cleanup later on. Remember to oil your tray before placing the peppers. If you are using a silicone mat like I did, then you do not need to oil your tray. Here I am done stuffing all the peppers. Now I will be adding cheese to some of them. I will not add cheese to all of them as my husband doesn't like it with cheese, but my son loves cheese, and I like both. I have used mozzarella, but you can use any cheese according to your choice, or leave it out completely. Now bake them in a 400 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you will get this gorgeous deliciousness. Serve this as a snack or an appetizer, and I'm sure you are going to love it. This is Bumbi, and thanks for joining me. Please take care. Bye-bye.